Very simple smoky eye for hooded eyes. My lazy eye technique, where you run the product on your lash line, both up and bottom, top and bottom. You're going to take your angled brush and blend it. You gotta see which brush works best, because sometimes blending it out with an angled brush, it's too dense and too thin. And then go in with the softer, with mattifying moon dust to make sure it sets. And you could always clean it up if you feel like it's not perfectly even with your trusty Q-tip. With my eye, slide it up. Completing the look using Uprise mascara. So I've applied my first coat of Uprise mascara. I am going in with the second layer in a second when we let it dry. You really grip the lash at the root. The perfect eye look includes our eyeliner and our mascara. Super simple to create a great smoked out eye with hooded eyes.